Hello, everyone. First of all, I want to say how happy I am to be here with you today. Do you know why? Because I see people who are brave, determined, and ready to change their lives. That's right. By learning English, you are not just learning a new language. You are opening the door to new opportunities, new friends, and a brighter future. I know learning English is not always easy. Maybe sometimes you feel tired or frustrated. Maybe you think, will I ever really speak English fluently? But let me tell you something important. Yes, you can, and you will. You are already on the right path. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Today, I want to remind you why learning English is so important, why you should never give up, and how you can stay motivated on this exciting journey. Why learning English matters. English is not just a language. It is a bridge. It connects people, ideas, and cultures. Do you know how many people speak English? Over 1.5 billion people. That's almost 20% of the world's population. English is spoken in over 70 countries, and it is the official language of many international organizations. If you want to travel, work, or study in another country, English can help you communicate. It is the language of airports, hotels, and restaurants. Imagine traveling to New York, London, or Sydney. With English, you can ask for directions, order food, and make friends. Doesn't that sound exciting? But English is not just about travel. It is also the language of business. Think about how many companies need people who can speak English. When you learn English, you make yourself more valuable to employers. You can apply for better jobs, earn a higher salary, and build a successful career. And let's not forget education. Many of the world's best universities and schools use English. When you understand English, you can study online courses, read important books, and watch videos that teach you new skills. With English, the possibilities are endless. The challenges of learning English. Now, let's talk about something important. Challenges. Yes, learning English can be hard sometimes. Maybe you feel nervous when you speak. Maybe you don't understand when someone talks fast. Or maybe you forget words and feel embarrassed. Let me tell you a secret. Everyone feels that way. Even people who speak English fluently felt nervous and made mistakes when they were learning. It is normal. Do you know the saying, practice makes perfect? It's true. The more you practice, the better you will get. But here's another secret. You don't have to be perfect. Nobody speaks a language perfectly. Not even native speakers. What's important is that you try, that you communicate, and that you never give up. Think of learning English like planting a tree. At first, you plant a small seed. It needs water, sunlight, and care to grow. At first, you don't see much progress. But little by little, the tree grows taller and stronger. One day, it gives you shade and fruit. That's how learning English works. It takes time, but the results are worth it. How to stay motivated. So, how can you stay motivated when the journey feels long or difficult? Let me share some tips that can help you. 1. Remember your why. Why are you learning English? Maybe you want to travel. Maybe you want a better job. Maybe you want to talk to people from other countries. Whatever your reason, write it down. Put it on your wall or in your notebook. When you feel tired, look at your reason. It will remind you of your goal. 2. Make learning fun. Learning English doesn't have to be boring. Find fun ways to practice. Watch movies or TV shows in English. Listen to English songs and try to sing along. Play word games or use apps to learn new vocabulary. When you enjoy the process, you learn faster. 3. Practice every day. You don't need to study for hours every day. Even 10 or 15 minutes can make a difference. Maybe you can read a short story, listen to a podcast, or write a diary entry in English. The more you use English, the more natural it will feel. 4. Don't be afraid to speak. Many people feel shy or scared to speak English because they are afraid of making mistakes. But mistakes are good. They help you learn. Speak with your friends, classmates, or even yourself in the mirror. Remember, confidence comes with practice. 5. Celebrate small wins. Learning a language is a big journey, but it is made up of small steps. Celebrate your progress. Did you learn 10 new words this week? Great. Did you understand a song in English? Amazing. These small wins keep you moving forward. Believe in yourself. The most important thing I want to tell you today is this. Believe in yourself. You can learn English. You are smart, capable, and hardworking. Every time you study, every time you practice, you are improving. Think about where you started. Maybe you knew only a few words, and now you can have simple conversations. Maybe you couldn't read an English sentence, and now you can understand short articles or books. You are growing every day, even if you don't always see it. Remember, learning a language is like climbing a mountain. Some days are easy and you feel strong. Other days are hard and you feel tired. But if you keep climbing step by step, you will reach the top. And when you look back, you will see how far you have come. A bright future awaits you. Imagine your future self. Imagine the day when you can speak English fluently. Maybe you are traveling the world, meeting new people, and making new friends. Maybe you have your dream job, working in a big company or running your own business. Maybe you are reading books, watching movies, or studying new subjects, all in English. That future is waiting for you. And every step you take today brings you closer to it. Finally, I want to remind you that you are not alone. Millions of people around the world are learning English, just like you. They face the same challenges and share the same dreams. You are part of a global community of learners. If you ever feel like giving up, remember that there are people who believe in you. Your teachers, your friends, and even people you haven't met yet. They are cheering for you, and I am cheering for you too. So my friends, keep going, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. You are doing something incredible. You are opening doors to new opportunities and creating a brighter future for yourself. Remember, every word you learn, every sentence you speak, and every mistake you make is a step forward. You are stronger and smarter than you think. One day, you will look back and say, I did it. I learned English. And that day, you will feel so proud. Thank you for listening. Keep shining, keep learning, and never give up. Your future is bright and you are unstoppable. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, make sure you don't miss our next video. We have an exciting and engaging topic lined up to help you practice your listening skills. Click here to watch it and keep improving your English.
On this channel, I'll continue to provide you with the tools and resources you need to improve your English for completely free. So, subscribe, stay with me, and let's keep learning together. Remember, learning a language is a journey. It takes time and effort, but if you keep practicing, you will get better. Believe in yourself, stay motivated, and don't give up. You can do it.